Hi, everyone. Today I will express how we can use serverless to improve the Algonquin Pet Store app. This presentation is for my CST 8917 course. Overview of Algonquin Pet Store architecture. This app uses a microservice architectures. Front-end service like storefront and store admin are built in Vue.js. Backend service include art service, product service, make-line service, and AI service, which integrate with OpenAI. It is use RabbitMQ for messages and MongoDB for database for date, and also include a virtual custom and worker simulator written in Rust. Here, this part. Here is the flow. The custom place order through a storefront. Order go to the order service are queued, processed, and then stored in the database. With serverless, we can simplify this workflow and make it more scalable. Serverless opportunities. Here, how we can apply serverless concept. Move the order service to HTTP trigger Azure functions. Change the make-line service to a queue trigger functions. Migration store admin follow to the logic apps for things like notification. The benefits include lower cost, scalability, and no infrastructure management. Slide 4, triggers and bindings design. We redesign the trigger like this. The new auto service uses a HTTP trigger with output to Azure queue storage. Make line service use a queue trigger reading from that query and writing to a Azure table storage, or even better, Cosmos DB for real-time order tracking. And last is for store admin. We use the logic app trigger that accept JSON and send out the notification. This setup reduce boilerplate code and connect service more easily. Function chaining and orchestration. We use a durable function to chain and orchestrate workflow. Here's a sequence. One is the auto service add messaging to a queue. Make line service pick up the order and process it. Once done, Logic app send a notification to admin dashboard. This approach makes the coordination simpler, more reliable, and avoid building custom orchest logger. Slide 6, handling long-running process. Durable function also help us managing long-running process. For example, they automatically retry if the query is done. Handling timeout when the update is slow. or apply compensation logic, like canceling orders that are stuck. This improves the reliability of the order pipeline and ensure better future tolerance in production. For CI/CD deployment pipeline, for CI/CD we use GitHub Actions. Every coder push, build, and deploy the functions automatically. Infrastructure is prevention use Terraform, and the script are stored securely in Azure Key Vault. This pipeline enable fast, consistent, and secure development with minimal manual steps. For the security monitor and observability, security is handled using Azure Managed Identity and RBAC. For monitoring, we use application insight and log analytics. These tools help tracking performance, identify bottleneck, and fix issue faster. This also help meet compliance standard like GDPR or SOC 2. Logic App versus Azure Functions. Logic App are great for virtual workflow like notification. Azure Functions are better for flexible code. Use Logic App for connector. Use function for logic. For example, use Logic App to notify when order is compliant. Messaging and event routing. We replace RabbitMQ with Azure Service Bus or Event Grid. They are more reliable and better integrated in Azure. They scale easily and reduce ops overhead. Best practice. Use small, single responsibility functions. Use trigger and boundings efficiently. Use durable function for orchestration. Use manager and identify for secret. Use application insights for observability. In summarize, serverless help us simplify operations, reduce infrastructure cost, and improve response needs for both customer and staff. Thanks for listening.